Welcome back. Nothing elevates the feminine spirit more than a perfect piece of priceless jewelry. And jewelry is definitely the most important part of your bridal trousseau. So take a look at this exquisite collection of mesmerizing jewels that is sure to leave all your brides-to-be yearning for more.
Nothing can enhance a woman's beauty more than a beautiful piece of jewelry. The magic of jewels transcends time, occasion and season. And especially when the wedding bells are the order of the day.
Vanity can be sinful, but if vanity helps you to get the perfect look, then why not? Weddings can be tiresome and stressful, but not really when you're in the hands of luxury jewelry designer Meera Gulati. Welcome to the show, Meera.
Hi, thanks.
Meera, what does it really take to look your best on your special day as far as jewelry is concerned?
Well, I would say that any bride looks her best on the special day. You make sure that you're well slept and you get all your beauty, care done, etc. So you are looking your best. It's inevitable. I think every bride ends up looking beautiful on their wedding day. As far as the jewelry goes, I would say that jewelry is probably something which people are looking at most when the wedding is going on, and it's probably one of the most important aspects of the wedding and also the bride. So it's important to make sure that whatever you buy is something which you buy something of quality, you buy something which you will be able to pass on to the next generation. It should be an heirloom for your family, and you should love it and feel confident with it. Collection which is going to stay with you for a lifetime, and it's important that you buy jewelry pieces to fit all different occasions, but also jewelry which can be worn even later on. It should be jewelry which is maybe detachable or wearable in more easier ways. At Mirari, the wedding collection which we have recently launched for the first time, we have made sure that the bride can be fully adorned on her special day. So she's looking, I would say, fully loaded with jewelry for her, on the bridal day. But then it's not important that you have to wear everything afterwards. The jewelry which we have made is detachable.
Every year we see during the wedding season the trends change. So do we see a change in the trend as far as wedding jewelry is concerned as well?
Well, like I was saying, it's important to have different pieces of jewelry in your collection, and I would say that make sure that you have the most important emeralds and rubies and sapphires, which are the three most important stones and colors which are worn by us in India. Green and red is something which is very popular in our country, and in my collection recently which we launched, we did make many pieces which have this color combination with green and red. As you know, it's also a very traditional color combination, and it is something which is also still revived by us. There's jewelry for every occasion. Here at Mirari, we made jewelry not only for more traditional functions like the wedding day or the mehndi, but also for more contemporary jewelry for the more cocktails and reception type of functions. So it's important that you make sure that you have jewelry with diamonds and totally contemporized pieces, which I would say you end up wearing even more even later on. And then for the wedding and for the bridal day, for the mehndi day, have jewelry which is more traditional, like the green and red pieces, or something which is more with uncut diamonds, which in India we call polki.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure speaking.
Thank you so much.
George Eliot said these gems have life in them. Their colors speak, say what words fail off, to describe the ethereal beauty of precious gems. These words best describe the traditional beauty behind Gem Palace. Well reflected in this traditional sparkling neck piece made in polki diamonds with intricate enameling work, sure to make you feel like a princess. Price tag 45 lakh rupees. There should be something unique for every night of that momentous period in your life. Like these awe-inspiring, jaw-dropping diamond and emerald earrings, sure to make a definite style statement. Price tag 40 lakh rupees. Or these beautifully designed diamond earrings which are sure to lure any woman's heart. Price strictly on request. Truly, there is a treasure trove of designer pieces available. Designer Queenie Dondi's special treat for the big day. This beautiful diamond and emerald necklace symbolizing classic elegance for that special occasion, price tag 20,27,000 rupees. Or the shine of this intricately carved rubies and diamond piece to make your moment even more memorable. With the wedding season round the corner, these stunning baubles are perfect to add that extra bling to your D-Day.
It's time for a short break, but stay tuned as on the other side of the show, we will show you how to mesmerize everybody by looking your very best for your D-Day.